Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing MUNBYN's thermal label printer. If you know anything about me, I run a soap and bath bomb business and I'm always looking for ways to make any of my processes faster, cheaper. And one process that has definitely needed improvement is my whole shipping label process, because right now we print them one label per 8.5 by 11 letter size piece of paper that we have to manually cut down to size and then tape down onto our boxes. So when MUNBYN reached out to me, I thought, perfect, let's give this a shot. Here is the thermal label printer. Look how small it is. I can lift it up with one hand. So if you don't have a lot of space in your office, then already there's points for the MUNBYN because this is tiny. And this printer has also been blowing up on social media. If you are active on TikTok and you follow some small businesses, you might have noticed this guy printing their shipping labels for them. So super excited to get this a shot, and hopefully this goes better than the last time I tried a thermal printer. So if you're interested in watching any of that, then keep watching. And here is the printer, and the first thing you'll notice is that it is tiny. So if you don't have a lot of space, this is perfect. And the color, can we talk about how gorgeous this little printer is? I will tell you that investing in office supplies for your business that are cute and aesthetically pleasing do make a difference. I can't stop staring at it, it's so beautiful. But I'm going to go through the instructions on how to set it up, and I'm going to try to print my first shipping label, and we'll see how easy it is to do that. Something neat about this setup is that they provide a QR code that if you scan this with your phone's picture taker camera on your phone, it'll pop up on your phone a video on how to set up the MUNBYN. That's really convenient. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch that video and follow the steps. So here's the printer all set up. I decided to rest it up here on this organizer that I got from IKEA, and it has two cords coming out the end of it. One is attached to my computer and the other one is attached to a power outlet. And there are wireless versions of this thermal printer available, but my heart was set on the pink label printer, and the wireless version doesn't come in pink, so I'm happy with this. I did try a wireless thermal printer one time and it wasn't great. I think the connection to a computer through a wire just gives me an extra level of, I guess, security that everything's going to work, but we'll see. So now that the printer is all set up, we are going to power it on. There is a power switch in the back, which we're going to press. And that has powered my thermal printer up. You can see there's a green light here. And we're gonna open up the printer. There's a button here that helps you open the printer up. And then we're gonna remove this slip over here. So now that the MUNBYN is on and ready to go, we are going to load our labels. MUNBYN sent me their 6" by 4" labels, which we are going to be using today to print our shipping labels. And they do recommend that you use their shipping labels in order for everything to work right. And I can say that when I tried to purchase different labels that were not offered by the thermal printing company before, it didn't work. So if you're going for a thermal label printer, I would highly suggest you get the shipping labels that that company offers in order for things to go as smoothly as possible. They also sent these round shipping labels, which could be a really cute touch to your packaging. I know for me, I'll definitely be using these for my packages. So I'm gonna go ahead and load the 4 by 6" shipping labels and show you how that goes. So we have our paper loaded here with the peelable side of the label facing upwards. And I made sure to squeeze these two ends together so that it was kind of a tight fit and so that the paper doesn't move around. We're gonna close this now. And that has fed the rest of the label out. So now that we have the labels loaded up, we need to calibrate this guy, and this is the feed button up here. And to calibrate, we just hold down this button for, I think, a few seconds, and it will beep and start calibrating. So let's give that a go. So now that that is calibrated, the next step is to install the software into our computers. So I'm just gonna do that right now. To install the software, MUNBYN sent this driver, which will plug into my computer. And this is where the software is contained to help me finish setting up my MUNBYN. So let's plug this in. So setup on my computer was so quick and easy. So now the true test is to actually print a shipping label, which I have some on deck that I'm going to try out. So let me give that a shot and see what happens. Fingers crossed. This is the very first label I've ever successfully printed from a thermal label printer. And I have to say that the MUNBYN made this process so easy. There were a few things I needed to figure out, so maybe I'll talk about that a little bit more in a future video. But now that this is printed, I'm gonna go and attach it to my package. So here is my labeled package. I just have to add some tape to the edge of this and it's ready to go. And for those curious, these shipping labels from MUNBYN are smudge proof and waterproof. So there goes that extra step that I had whenever I had to put on my paper labels. I used to cover them up with tape to make them waterproof, but not with these guys. Final thoughts, I love this printer. I think definitely this is going to replace my current process because it was so quick and easy. It will save me the money I would have had to spend on my printer ink that I've been using for my inkjet. I won't have to use so much tape when packing up my packages. These shipping labels are also super affordable. It's going to save me time because you saw how quick it was for me to just peel off that label and stick it onto this box. Overall, I think a thermal label printer is an essential part of a small business. I did without one for a really long time, and it ended up costing me in money and in time over the long run. So I definitely suggest investing in one of these guys. And with the MUNBYN, it takes up so little space in your entire office area or wherever you package your packages. And it's so darn cute. I keep looking at it over there. I love that it fits the aesthetic of my workspace. Thank you so much to MUNBYN for sending me this printer to review. It's little but mighty and an amazing addition to my process workflow. If you want a printer like this for your own small business, I have a link in my description box below. Go ahead and check them out. I don't think you'll regret it. Such a cute little machine. And I want to take this moment to thank all of my patrons who support me. And if you want to throw this channel a little bit of extra support, you can do that. There is my Patreon link in my description box below. And thank you to everyone who has already chosen to support me on there. You guys already know how thankful I am to each and every one of you, especially my bubble BFFs. Your questions and your comments and your messages are honestly the best and the highlight of my day. It's not only helping me to grow as a creator, but also as a soap business owner, because I'm learning along the way along with you guys. So that is just so special and awesome. And that is it until the next video. Keep smiling, keep being awesome, keep making beautiful, amazing things, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.